Hi all, if you have seen my previous video about Dyson, so I have said that the position of the key here of the speed maximum, medium and low is probably a magnet, and we will confirm it in a minute. But before throwing this away, I replaced this part, the plastic, because it was broken. I would like to show you what you need to do in order to take it out. And I had, this is you have here Torx screws, and it's not very convenient to get to those because you're in an angle to get, it's not straightforward to get into it. But I found that if you take it from the edge, you will be able to remove those screws. If you would like to use some of the part to another Dyson that you have, or take it out after it is broken and you can use some of the parts here, there is also a Torx screw here inside. It's the same size, it's T7 I think. Yeah, it's a little hard to get to it, but once you're inside it will go out. Yeah, you can see it's a little longer than the two screws here. And then what you can do is take it out. Now, how to take it out? This is a little tricky. First you need to bend this part, take it out and remove the battery connector, trying not to break anything. It's a little tricky to take it out. I think I will use some plier in order to push it. Yeah, so plier is a good thing to use. Be careful about the tiny wire. That is one of the battery sensor. I talked about it. I think it's the temperature sensor of the battery. Yeah, it's never go easy, these things. But you can bend them and then you will be able probably to take it very easy. Not very easy. Whoa. I wasn't expecting to use such a force to take it out, but at the end, if it's not going with force, use more force. And then after you remove this part, I think you will be able to remove it just by pulling it on this side. But this was not part of the game. Part of the game was here. So here, I guess this is a magnetic switch. Let's try to see. Yeah, do you see? Inside, I'm sure there is a magnet. So let's try to see it. Let's try to see that I'm not bluffing you. So what we can do, haha, you see, there is a magnet inside. So probably here, if you remove the plastic, you will find an module. You can see it. There is an module magnet on this side. Maybe it's hard to see. It's not here. You see, magnet is not catching my screwdriver, but here it is. So there is a magnet inside, and there is a magnetic sensor that find what the speed is. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye.